Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for research. First of all, what you have to do is head over to the Perplexity AI website. So it is perplexity.ai. Once you're in the website, you have to sign in with your account. You can either sign in with your Google account, your Apple ID, or just your email address. So once you're signed in, you will land on this page, which is also the dashboard. Here you will see this kind of interface in which you can ask anything to the Perplexity AI. It will also show you some of the suggestions you can search for the Perplexity AI. So in order to use Perplexity AI for the research purpose, what you have to do is select this option called Deep Research. Once you select that option, now whatever you will ask to the AI, it will deep research for you from the internet. So you do not have to do anything. For instance, if I want to ask, what is the best programming language? If I hit enter, what it will do, it will go to the internet and it will search all the articles related to which is the best programming language. For me, after doing the deep research, it will give me some, as you can see, it is searching on the internet. So after deep researching, it will let me know which is the best programming language. So I need to search the web to find out. It is still searching. Deep research takes up to 30 minutes to thoroughly research, analyze, and reflect data. So it is going through different forums, different websites in order to give me the best answer possible. As you can see in the sources tab, it has gone to the 31 different sources in order to find the answer of the simple question that I have asked to the Perplexity AI. So it will take some time and I have to wait until it completes its research. Once it's done, as you can see, it is giving me a thorough answer. So the best programming language, it has given me Python remains the undisputed leader in the programming language, and it hasn't told me that the Python is the best programming language, but it is just showing me or telling me that Python is undisputed leader in the programming language. So it is telling me with reference to which language is mostly used and which language has the best reputation from all. So that's basically how you can use Perplexity AI for research purpose. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.